Hi, my name is Madhukar Raikar. I'm into the running since 2013. I started doing my full marathons since 2015. The objective of this video is to cover mudra, especially Apana Vayu Mudra. This mudra is a combination of two mudras, Apana Mudra and Vayu Mudra. I will go over the details of these two mudras soon. But before that, I want to cover why I need to start this mudra, especially while running. I remember in 2014 or 2015 when I was attending for the multiple running events, maybe half marathon, or maybe like after the first full half marathon, I came across few people getting fainted and unable to run, and few people died on the spot, mainly because of heart attack. As a runner, I also felt discomfort that what happens if something's happened to me while running, especially in the events. I know there are medical facilities, the plenty of medical facilities available at the events, but it may not be helpful while running, especially when you get a heart attack. I thought about it several times. And obviously, I was concerned as well, even if you go for full marathons. I do agree that if it is for a few kilometers, I should be fine. But if I really go for the half marathons or go for a full marathon, and we'll be basically try to speed up as much as possible. We don't really much bother about like a heart that time because everyone is focused getting the good timing. So obviously, we try to forget our the main engine of the body, that's a heart. Doesn't matter how well we qualified, how well we prepared, it can break anytime. That basically it can take our life. That's the reason why I did a lot of research. Earlier I used to do a lot of mudras as well. I'm not saying no, but I started investigating which mudra can help me in running so that it can save my life. And I came across this mudra, that is Apana Vayu Mudra. Now I'm going to show you how this mudra is done, and it's up to you individual if you want to use this mudra while running. Like a lot of other my friends, my lot of relatives for the last 5 6 years, I mean, ask them to do this mudra, and it's going to be help. It really helped them a lot for several multiple peoples. I share it only when I get the result for myself. Especially when I get the result for myself in 2015, later 2015 and 2016, I started promoting this mudra to all my friends and whoever is running with me. I clearly told them what is the benefit of this. Some people may feel discomfort because you need to hold the hand in this particular fashion while running, and it may become very discomfort. Some people may continue and may not. But in my case, this is gonna become like standard for me. The moment I start running, my hands automatically come to these positions. Just before I take up my first step, a couple of steps, my hands move to these positions. Like it's a kind of like automated my body. Now I'm going to show you this mudra, how to do that. See the hand, both the hands. This is the index finger and the thumb finger. With the thumb finger, I am going to press my index finger. This is called Vayu Mudra. The benefit of Vayu Mudra is to remove the possibilities of getting the acidity. Acidity is very common nowadays for most of the peoples. If you do this mudra on regularly basis, I can assure you that acidity will get over in no time. I hardly had acidity issues for the last 5-6 years. Trust me. Doesn't matter. I eat a lot of fried items, lot of items, oily items. I don't know what is acidity for the last 5-6 years. I used to get a lot of acidity issues before, even when I used to go for a gym, do a lot of the sports activities. But when I started doing this mudra, trust me, I rarely get any acidity issues. Okay, now I'm going to cover the next mudra, that is Apana mudra. That's very simple. Okay, that's all. On the top of the thumb of things, touch your middle fingers and the ring finger. That's all. But you have to make sure that you are connecting them properly at the top of it. And if you try to connect here, it will not really work. Understand how it works is just like a electrical wire connection. Internally, if you look at your hands internally, everything is made up of like wires. This is all you are connecting. Basically, you are basically giving an power to your fingers. There may be some other videos I can make it if we need to go through in details about the significance of each and every fingers. Or you can find it plenty on the website, in the Google as well. Like how this is made of Panchabhutas. But at this point, I just want to cover specific to Apana Vayu Mudra. This is Apana Mudra, where you are touching the top of the thumb with the top of these two fingers, keeping two otherwise last index finger and the short finger straight. This is called Apana Mudra. Initially, we can start with the Apana Mudra. That's enough. This is going to help you to protect your heart. And also it's going to make sure you're not going to get a dizziness as well. Trust me. I ran several times. I've been reaching maybe thousands of kilometers. I already ran holding this mudra. It really helped me a lot. When you come to the heart. When you come to the heart and when you come to the mind. Right? Are you feeling the dizziness? When there is no proper combination of the rhythm of the both heart and the mind. You want to start feeling fainting, whatever discomfort and everything. You start with the Apana Mudra initially and slowly incorporating later with the Vayu Mudra as well. That is Apana Vayu Mudra is, as I mentioned, is a combination of two mudras. That is, first you are holding the Vayu Mudra. This is Vayu Mudra, and I am adding additional mudra, that is Apana Mudra. So simple. But if you ask me, this looks very simple. Right? When you seated, but when you come to the running, it's maybe initially difficult. You may hold for maybe few minutes, but holding this pose for the period of 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe 5 to 6 hours may be initially difficult, but as you keep practicing on the daily basis, it becomes a habit. Even if I can hold it for like 8 hours or 10 hours. Trust me, I hold this mudra for complete full marathons. It may be 5 hours, it may be like 6 hours, whatever. This is helped me to make sure my upper body, especially my heart and the mind, in a comfort situation. As of my, if I remember, out of 7 full marathons, 6 full marathons I use this with the Apana Vayu Mudra. I also do a lot of analysis after completion of the each marathon whether this mudra is helping me or not. What's happening with my upper bodies? Trust me, any of the events and any issues if I got it, that's only for the lower bodies. Either I may have a hamstring issues, I may have a cough issues or joint issues, whatever. But I never had my upper body issues, especially heart and the brain. Simple. As long as we take care of heart, that will take care of my our upper bodies as well. For running especially. So I request everyone to do this mudra and save your life while running because I really feel bad whenever I hear some people dying, getting crashed. A lot of people even heard a lot, top position people also died running in the main events. And the only that time I can think of only this mudra. Maybe if that particular person would have done this mudra, his life would have been saved. If anyone have questions, please reach out to me. You can email as well if it is required for more additional details. But I think this is sufficient for now. And I want to add one more thing as well. If possible, try to do the Surya Namaskaras daily, 21. Maybe I can cover that one in the next videos or later. Because if you do the Surya Namaskaras, that basically covers 11 to 12 asanas. That is also kind of going to active, stretching your body before the running and after the running. I'll try to keep it always as simple as possible. Thanks for watching video.